In this video, I'm going to be reviewing contact lenses from TTD-Eye. I did have some people ask about their crazier lenses. Just guess they're contact lenses that aren't normal. So more for the costumes and the cosplay and unique crazier looks. So I'm going to be reviewing some of those today. I just procured 2 boxes of contacts recently. The lenses I selected are on the crazier side. They're crazy colors like neon green, red. So let's go ahead and get started on this. So right now I am wearing lenses called Kise Ryota Yellow. As you can see, they are most definitely not yellow on my eyes. They turn green, which is a trip. So let me show you how they look. So these are most definitely not yellow. In my eyes, they are green, but the contact lens itself is yellow. Doesn't make sense, but since I do have a darker eye, contact lenses are going to be different on me than they are on someone with light colored eyes.
Now I'm going to go ahead and take out a lens so you can see how the contact looks by itself. If I can get it out. Okay, so here's the comparison between the contact itself and my natural eye color. In the case, the contacts are a neon highlighter yellow-green kind of color, and it has a dark outer limbal ring. This will give you an enlarging effect on your eye. Here are the lenses e.l.f. green. They have an outer dark limbal ring as well. They appear to be a dark seafoam green with blue undertones, and there's also a bit of yellow-green around the iris. The color is opaque and covers my brown eyes very well. Here we have e.l.f. Purple, a violet colored lens with yellow around the iris. I really like these. I would wear these on a normal basis. Here is the lens e.l.f. Blue. This lens has yellow around the iris as well and has an icy blue shade. They look a little crazy from a distance, but I have a few cosplays in mind for this lens. This lens is Galaxy Purple. It has a dark blue and light purple gradient, with little tiny specks and swirls to represent stars and, outer space. On my eye color, these lenses really don't make a difference. It kind of just looks like I have stuff in my eye, but I really love the concept, and these would look great on lighter colored eyes. This is the lens Galaxy Pink. Pretty much the same as Galaxy Purple, just with a pink gradient. This color is less noticeable than the Galaxy Purple lenses, so I prefer those ones over these. Next up, we have Gradient Star Blue. This lens has a dark outer ring and a gradient of light sky blue and aqua. Upon taking a closer look, you can see a star accent within the contact. I like these. I think they're quite pretty. Good for cosplay or any costume you have in mind. Here we have the lens Mystery Red. This is a great cosplay contact. I like the way it looks compared to other red contacts, which are just a red flat color. This one has some line work and dimension to it. I used these same red contacts when I was doing my Gingerbend Frieza cosplay. These contacts were absolutely perfect for finishing off the look. This is the lens Mystery Yellow. It has a orange-yellow hue to it as opposed to just a yellow shade, so that gives it more dimension, I think. I really like that the lens is opaque and completely covers my eye color. It gives your eyes a nice amber color. Here is the lens Mystery Green. It has a really nice matcha green shade to it. On my eyes, the lens is darker and appears to be a foresty kind of green. Also, the outer limbal ring is not as prominent as it is in the other mystery lenses. Here is the lens Mystery Blue. It is icy blue in colors, but when I have them in, they're a really nice sky blue color. I could do like a cool humanoid makeup look with these. Ideas. Here is the lens Mystery Purple. Similar to Elf Purple, but there is pink around the iris instead of yellow. And once the lenses are on, they're a little bit darker as well. This lens is Lolly Gray. It has an interesting swirl pattern with hints of yellow-green. On my eyes, they appear to be a swirly dark gray. It gives the iris an interesting wavy outer shape. I like these. They're a trippy looking lens. This is the lens Lolly Blue. It has a combination of blue, green, and black swirls. They look really trippy. They kind of remind me of the people from Bird Box. You know, the psychotic ones. Yeah, those ones. I was actually considering doing a Bird Box look with these lenses. They even look pretty crazy from a distance. I already know if my eyes were lighter, these would look insane. Look at it! It's beautiful! This is the lens Lolly Green. It has a cool forest and Kelly green swirl pattern. I feel like the other two shades from this collection was more prominent in color. I feel these are very dark on my eyes. The swirl pattern here isn't as noticeable. Okay, almost done guys. This lens is Magic Blue. They're a nice solid baby blue color and the dark outer ring gives your eyes a doll-like effect. Before I forget, I would like to mention that these lenses are very comfortable to wear. I usually wear my lenses from anywhere between 6 to 8 hours, sometimes 12 hours, depending on how my day is. And also with proper care, these lenses do last up to a year. Last but not least, this is the lens Egypt Blue. This lens features a blue to yellow-green gradient. It actually kind of reminds me of earth colors. With the contacts in, they appear to be a very nice deep blue ocean color, like the deep blue sea. I know these aren't crazy, but I wanted these and I thought I might as well show them.
Okay, so that concludes the show and tell of all those contact lenses. My makeup is officially just done for the day. I hope you guys got the gist of the selection that this website has. They have a wide variety of contact colors, all the way from crazy wacky colored contacts, circle lenses. It is a select variety on circle lenses though, I'm going to tell you that. So you're not going to find all your cosplay needs here, but you can get a good amount of colors. And they also have a very nice natural array of colors and also lenses that enhance your natural eye color, which is pretty cool too. So yeah, that's all. If you guys like this video review, if you found this helpful, please go ahead and leave a comment down below. If you guys have anything to suggest that I do for my next video, go ahead and let me know in the comments down below. And also, if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I mean, you might as well subscribe, you're already watching. If you're not already, please don't forget to follow me on Instagram at @OMally. Ooh, best part of the day. That was fantastic. Until next time, MalyCats, hope you have a wonderful day, night, whatever time zone you're in. I hope you're having a good time. Okay, bye.